Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're in for a great little day here today. Grab yourself a hot cup of coffee because we're going to get straight into the video with this new pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses here. Just like all my videos, top link in the description box below will be the exact same link where you guys can pick these up yourself, read more about them, and see what other people are saying about them. Now, the seller does give you a nice little added little gift here as well. We have a little lens spray, another microfiber cloth, a little tool, and a few little extras in there, etc. Let's go ahead and get the little box out of the way here. What I like about these ones is that they come with a brown little case here that, of course, you're used to. You're used to a Ray-Ban case that looks like this, folds open, etc. Now, inside the case, they also give you another official microfiber Ray-Ban cloth. Just like all the other Ray-Bans, they come with that. We'll get that out of the way there. Your case is just your typical Ray-Ban case, but I do like the color. And then these are the nice new Wayfarers right here. So these are the polarized ones right here, as we can see, Ray-Ban with the P right up top there. These are kind of more of a, I want to say a grayish, maybe a greenish tone lens to it, but I do love the turquoise here. And then they have, of course, the same Ray-Ban look to them that you're used to, etc. Here's what the side looks like with that turquoise right there. Sunlight coming through. Now, if you are wondering, these are not hinged, meaning they can't open up that way. They can only fold this way. So you have all your markings inside right here, made in Italy. Flipping them around right here, totally hard to see on camera, but the model number RB2132, because these again are the new Wayfarers. And you're like, what makes the new Wayfarers different than the old Wayfarers? Well, these ones are a little bit more narrower regarding this area right here. They're not as big as your other Wayfarers that are a little bit larger. I'm going to go ahead and show you them on my face. And if you like a little bit more sleeker, now it still holds the same lines as the Wayfarers that you're used to. It's just a little bit more narrower through here instead of a little bit more larger in the overall lens and width as it goes this way here. It might be the same size going this way, but not this way here. They look very, very sharp. Love the tortoiseshell. I've worn these outside on an overcast day as well as a sunny day. The polarized lenses are absolutely phenomenal with my morning UV light. I'm rocking Dr. Andrew Huberman's morning routine with morning light. You're not supposed to wear sunglasses, but after my initial 15 minutes, I like to put on sunglasses. Now, before I do show you what they look like, here is the Mega Wayfarer, another pair that I absolutely love the colors on. And let me just briefly show you the new Wayfarers to the Mega Wayfarers, how the Mega Wayfarers are a little bit wider and then definitely wider in the earpieces, as we can see right there. So if you're looking for something like jumbo, the Mega Wayfarers are definitely a good choice for you. Let's go try them on. And again, like I said, it's a little bit gray-green lens, kind of a better lighting there, as you can see. Yeah, I think those are kind of more of the greener lens there, but overall look really sharp. So let me go ahead and show you, kind of the beanie look here. Now this is what I mean about a little bit thinner through this area here than your typical Wayfarer. So if that's something that suits you, again, they look the same. They look really, really good. But in all honesty, it's just taken me a little bit used to see if my face, because I do have bigger features, I have a German nose. Let me show you without the beanie, forgive my beautiful hair. As we can see right here, looking really, really sharp nonetheless. Again, the polarized lenses, but love the tortoiseshell. And just for reference, since you just have remembered that, these are the Mega Wayfarers. So see how these are a little bit more bigger in width-wise to my particular face. And so I don't know what you think about the big old ear things here. I think they're really cool. They also have these. I'll link these in the description box below, right below the new Wayfarers. But same company does sell these in the tortoiseshell. These again are the kind of a green, and I have a full write-up video on these as well. These are the non-polarized lenses, if you are wondering, but they do make them in polarized lenses as well. Well guys, overall they look great. Depends upon your face, of course, but overall a big thumbs up in my book. Once again, top link in the description box below will be these exact same sunglasses, as well as the Mega Wayfarers, like I just said. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about, but if you do have the cash and they do intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, tech-related videos, DIY projects, slat walls, LED slat walls, cute puppies right here. Thank you guys for watching. Top link in the description box below is your link. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.